Hello everyone, welcome back to our course. In the previous sections, we talked about two categories of nonverbal communication, paralanguage and body language, which are both produced by the body. In this section, we'll talk about other forms of nonverbal communication that are related to the setting, time, and space. First of all, what is time? By time, we mean the sense of time, how people perceive and use time. Actually, the conception of time is very different in different cultures. We will examine it from the perspective of M time and P time. Let's first study the following case. Kate was from America. She was teaching English in a Chinese university. She got some problems in her teaching and wanted to talk with the dean of the department, Mr. Wang. They made an appointment to meet each other at 10 o'clock the next day in Mr. Wang's office. The next day, Kate arrived punctually at Mr. Wang's office, only to find he was talking with a Chinese teacher. When Mr. Wang saw Kate, he smiled and motioned her to sit down. 5 minutes later, Mr. Wang finished his talk with the Chinese teacher. He apologized to Kate and they began talking about Kate's teaching problems. After a while, another Chinese teacher came to Mr. Wang's office and asked him to sign his name on the form. Mr. Wang again smiled at Kate and apologized and began to talk with this Chinese teacher. Kate got impatient and angry. She couldn't understand why she was constantly interrupted in spite of her appointment. So, do you understand why? According to American anthropologist Edward Hall, cultures organize time in one of two ways, either monochronic, that is M time, or polychronic, that is P time. Look at this table to see some comparisons between monochronic and polychronic people. M time means paying attention to and doing only one thing at a time. M time is characteristic for people from Germany, Austria, Switzerland, and America. They tend to think of time as something that is fixed in nature, something around us and from which we cannot escape. People in M time see time as linear and tangible. Time is something that can be saved, spent, earned, wasted, or lost. Monochronic people are committed to the job. They make plans and adhere to the plans. P time means being involved with many things at once. Chinese, Indians, Arabs, Latin Americans, and Mediterraneans take this approach to time. They deal with time holistically, and they can interact with more than one person or do more than one thing at a time. This may explain why Kate and Mr. Wang's conversation is constantly interrupted, as in the above case. People in P time are committed to people and human relationships, and they change plans often and easily.